Hey guys, Farmer Nick here, and today we're going to be making some salad dressing to spice up that healthy salad that you may be eating during these social distancing times. Remember, it's super important to continue to eat healthy while we are not frequenting the grocery store as much, and so please continue to keep that in mind. What we're going to do today is make a vinaigrette, and it's a very simple dressing. All you need is some red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, Dijon mustard, olive oil, and vegetable oil, as well as some lemon juice. And you'll also need a whisk and just a medium-sized bowl. So first thing we're gonna do is we're going to add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Followed by our Dijon mustard. One teaspoon of lemon juice. And salt and pepper to taste. I like to sprinkle some in my hand. Not too much, maybe like half a teaspoon or so. Some pepper. Great. Now we're gonna mix all that in. And you should have a pinkish liquid like this. And now we're going to add in first our 4th cup of olive oil, mixing while we add it. And in here I've got about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're going to do the same. Whisking as we go. Making sure that you stir thoroughly. Awesome. And there you have it. A vinaigrette that can go on a healthy salad. Thanks for watching this video, and tune in to our video tomorrow.